Bethany, I'm taking a video of you playing video games. I'm taking a video of you.
Okay. Take a video of how I'm winning.
Yeah, okay, Bethany's like winning. She's really awesome.
Hi, Alyssa.
Hey.
What's up?
Hi, Alyssa.
Hi.
Gotcha.
Ew, it's probably really bad. Ew, delete it, please,
No. Are
please.
you still videotaping?
Yes.
You want to see my awesome video game skills?
Yeah.
Yeah, well. These are the very, very cute video games.
Yeah, this is really intense.
Tears them apart.
This is really
Limb by limb. What are you talking about?
intense.
Coyotes are
Dora much?
Yeah. Oh, man. Yo, I'm fierce at this game. That's my nickname. They call me Dora actually. Because I freak people out.
Hi, Sabrina.
Hi.
Hey, what's that? Oh, you said
Got you again.
Probably have like 8
I'm
chins.
gonna have the weirdest pictures
Let me
of
see.
this game.
I don't know how.
Oh,
It won't show.
Nikes.
Ah, it's like that.
Oh, whoops, I do that. Sorry.
Ew, please delete it.
I don't know how.
Take a picture of me being really hardcore.
Okay, alright, end of video.